Alright guys, so we're just going to cut straight to the point. As you can see, as promised, I know it's been a minute since I uploaded, but I got all my goodies from Texas Speed. Got my 480. I'm actually in the shop. We're working on that piece of junk over there. My truck was out there, but I had to go pick that up. So, like I said, everything's here for the truck. Just waiting on the Circle D. And then the converter, and then everything else is pretty much here. As you guys may know, my truck's already cam, so I already got some of the supporting parts that you have to have a cam. So basically, shout out to Texas Speed. Gary over at Texas Speed, he works with our shop. He got this in and out pretty quick. Was in direct contact with him the whole time, so thanks to Gary at Texas Speed. You know, just their push rods, but oh goodness, whole box almost fell. Jeez Louise. Well, anyway, this is I'm not gonna say this is the main part of the attraction, but I did want the Cletus McFarland Bald Eagle cam, but instead we got their slightly custom but also over the shelf cam. As you can see, I'll show you the cam card. I don't hide anything, plus it's not like it's that special. Just a 110 LSA, so I believe the 110 LSA is really gonna help get the sound that I'm looking for. And while I'm boxing this up, I had a great deal. If you follow me on Instagram, check me out on Instagram. My car actually won second place overall at the Georgia Summit Camaro meet and won second place. But while I was there, I got a set of long tubes for my truck, super cheap. They were their dent and scratch sale. It was a part of that, so I got a set of long tubes for the truck that's gonna help with this, because I want to go turbo later on, so I didn't want to spend the money on long tubes because I'm gonna go back anyway. But like I said, good deal. If my truck was here, I'll show you guys, but of course it's not here. But what I'm very excited about, look at that PRC ported heads from Texas Speed. It's kind of hard to do this with one hand. Boom, there we go. Look how big those valves are. I know it's kind of hard to tell through the video, so I know you're just looking, but those valves look beautiful. Nice little porting, little taking away some material here, but this is my finger. This is my index finger. Look at that. The cathedrals. Get you some decent lighting, nice and ported. And then the exhaust, they took that. Like the truck heads, I think the Corvette heads are the same, but there's like this little kind of oval shape instead of more round like this. It took all that away, and oh goodness, I almost lost the box again. There we go. Got their valve springs in them. These are just GM truck heads. They're not actual PRC heads. I wish, you know, I could have either afford those or they would have stamped them on the side as well, but they work the same. And that's about it. David's making fun of me, but like I said, the stuff's here. I wanted to show you guys. Install coming soon. Like I said, just waiting on stuff for this bad boy so we can do this conversion for the 4080. We'll have the heads, the cam put in. Dakota will help me out with that, probably my dad, and hopefully pretty soon we'll have that thing running. We'll get on the dyno. We got this nasty thing over here on taking up space, but like I said, we'll have some more uploads coming in rapid fire pretty soon. You can see me got the GoPro set up. I do the videos that you saw at the beginning of, like that truck that you just saw. But anyway, enough talking. Like I said, these are just showing you guys that it's coming soon. So my name's Stan. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe, thumbs up. Everybody have a good day.